Hello everyone, my name is Mos, and today I will explain geometry problems from Harvard MIT Mathronomies. Okay, let's see the problems. Let horse be a convex pentagon such that E is O is equal to ORS equal to SEH, and it is equal with 90 degree, which is a right angle, and HOR is equal with RSE equal with 135. Okay, so I need to visualize the problem first. Yeah, like this. Why I divide the pentagon like the trapezium and the triangle? Because you know OS is equal with 10. So you can compute the pentagon is the sum of the trapezoid plus triangle. Okay, with the OS is equal with 10. The next is HO is equal with 20 and SE is equal with 26. Okay, but the R is in right there, so ORS is the right angle. Okay, like this. The first thing first that we must to do is to make the imaginary lines uh, from this, so you can let become to be O accent for the example. So we can know that O accent S is equal with 6. Okay, the next step is OO accent is can be found by Pythagoras. It is equal with 8. Okay, so we get the height of the trapezoid is 8. So we can find the trapezoid, but the next before we compute the area of trapezoid, we must to find the OR and RS. Okay, the first thing first that we can do is remember that HOR is equal with OR is equal with 135. So we know that OX and OR is equal to 45, and these things that you must know is because RSE is equal to 135, and it means that the quadrilateral ORSOXN is the cyclic quadrilateral. So you can get OS is diameter, and we get the center of OS is the center of the circle. So when we let the center is, for the example, X, we can get that OX is equal with XS. I will move the picture onto this so you can see that XO is equal with XR equal with XOXN. Yeah, this is the key for the solving the problem. Like we know that OXN OR is 45. It is to see that this OXN XR angle is 90 because this angle is 2 times OXN OR. Okay, but the next is you can visualize you can connect the O action with R, so you get that this angle is same and it is 45. Okay, remember that X is in the center of OS, so OX equal XS equal with OS over 2, and it is 5. So the radius is 5. So OX and SX is 5, XR is 5, and with the Pythagoras, it is easy to see that OX and R is 5 root 2. And with the OX and SR is 135, and OX and S is 6, we can compute the SR by cosine. We can use OX and R square is equal with OX and S square plus SR square minus 2 times OX and S times SR times cos of 135. We can see that OX and R is 50, OX and S is 36 plus SR square minus 2 times, we can write it as 12 times SR, and it is times with minus a half times root of 2. So we can cancel out this onto 6. After that, we can compute by move 50 to the right hand side. So it can be SR square minus 14 plus 6 root 2 times SR. By quadratic formula, we can get SR is minus 6 times square root 2 plus minus square root of 36 times 2 is 72 minus 4 times 1 times minus 14 over 2. We get minus 3 root 2 plus minus square root of 72 plus 56 over 2, and we can get 128 over 2. We get 128 is equal with 8 times root 2, so we can get SR is minus 3 root 2 plus minus 4 times root 2. The only one possible solution is when this can be plus, so we can get SR equal with minus 3 times root 2 plus 4 root 2. We can get SR is the root 2. Okay, from the SR is root 2, we can compute that OR is equal with square root of OS square minus SR square. So we can get OS square is equal with 100 minus 2. So we get OR is 7 root 2. After this, we can compute the area of pentagon, which is the sum of the trapezium plus area of the triangle ORS. Okay, we know the area of trapezium is 8 times 20 plus 26 over 2 plus the area of the ORS is root 2 times 7 root 2 over 2. We can cancel out this kind of summation. We can cancel out this and we can get the area of pentagon is 4 times 46 times plus 7. It is equal with 184 plus 7, and it is equal with 119.